Hi, my name is Kara Miller, and I'm one of your ELA content coaches. This school year, we transitioned to digital literacy portfolios. This exciting shift will help our students develop the 21st century skills they need and helps us as teachers personalize our students' learning. It's amazing. This short series of videos will walk you through the process of creating these digital literacy portfolios so that you can begin implementing them with students. At any point, you can pause or replay a segment of this video. And if you run into an issue that can't be resolved, please contact our help desk with as much detail as possible. Let's go ahead and get started. When creating your digital literacy portfolios for the first time, there are 3 tasks to complete. First, you must download the Class Notebook add-in from our software center. Then, you locate and copy the Master Literacy Portfolio for your grade level into your personal OneDrive. Finally, you create the class notebook that your students will use. What's wonderful is that the first 2 tasks only have to be completed once, so after today, you shouldn't need to repeat those steps again. The third task is what you will complete once a year if you teach in grades K-8 and once a semester if you teach a high school course. This video walks you through the steps of completing task 1. You will download the Class Notebook add-in for OneNote so that you are able to utilize the features it has. You'll know that you've successfully completed this process when you open the OneNote desktop application and see the Class Notebook tab across your top toolbar. The first thing you want to do is check that you don't already have the Class Notebook add-in downloaded to your device. You can do this by clicking the Windows tile in the bottom left corner of your screen and locating the OneNote desktop program. It may appear as a large purple icon on this screen, but if it does not, you can scroll down using the arrow in the bottom left corner to see a list of all apps on your computer. Always make sure that you're accessing the version of OneNote with a year listed after it and not OneNote by itself. Find OneNote 2016 and click on it. When the program loads, there is a top purple toolbar that you'll want to direct your attention to. Look for a tab that says Class Notebook. If you do not see this, please close the OneNote desktop program and complete the remaining steps in the video. If you do see Class Notebook, stop this video and move on to task 2. Since we did not see the Class Notebook section, we need to go to the Software Center in order to download the add-in. You can find this by clicking the Windows tile on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner. A search window will appear. Type in Software Center, and then click the icon. The Software Center will load. Now that the Software Center has loaded, you can locate the Class Notebook for OneNote add-in that we need to download. Click the Class Notebook for OneNote icon, and you'll be brought to the installation page. Clicking the blue button for Install will start the process. It takes a few moments, and you'll know that it is done when the blue button that said Install changes to Uninstall. At that point, you can close the Software Center. To ensure that the add-in download was successful, open the OneNote desktop program again. You can do that by clicking the Windows tile at the bottom of your screen and clicking the OneNote 2016 icon. When it loads, you'll want to look at the top toolbar, and next to Learning Tools, you should see Class Notebook. If you see that, you are ready to move on to task 2. Please close OneNote and move on to the second video. If you did not see Class Notebook, please go back to the previous segment of this video to try and download the add-in again.